question, factorize 9a squared minus 16. If you look at this, the question, you realize that this is a multiple which can be written as what? 3a all squared minus what? 4 squared. Okay? And I'm going to take us back to memory lane. A squared minus b squared is equal to what? So this is what we call the difference of 2 squared. Whenever you have a multiple, and you have a minus in between those multiple, then to give you this, and it is called what? Difference of 2 squared. So back to our question now. This will now become what? 3a, you pick one of this, minus one of this also, close the brackets. Again, 3a plus what? Plus 4. And that's finished this one.